Continuing coverage on the Tour de Palm Springs as more than 6,000 cyclists from all around the world are coming together to raise money for local nonprofits with tomorrow's ride.
The festivities are getting underway right now in downtown Palm Springs. News Channel 3's Athena Drage is there live with more. Athena.
Hi, John and Peter. Yes, we've shown you how this registration has brought so many people to the downtown area. And there are so many vendors here providing those last-minute supplies or clothes you may need. Joining me now are Linda and Tom with Wild Cycler. And wild indeed. Look at all of these amazing prints you guys have. Now, I know you said some of the clothes on the market are so boring. What inspired these for you guys?
Well, actually, Linda was the driving force behind this. She could only find black bike shorts, so we started a bike pants business with color, fashion, and style. Nothing but cool designs that she makes.
Yes, we don't carry any black bike shorts, so.
There's enough of those out there. And what is the main thing people are gravitating towards this weekend that you guys are seeing?
Well, actually, it's kind of safety. They like to be seen on the road.
Exactly.
So they buy our most colorful designs and jerseys and kits, and that way they're safe.
Right. Is there a design that people are really loving right now? I'm seeing cheetah print, I'm seeing the American flag, so many great options here tonight.
For example, this particular one is Squiggles, and actually a gentleman out of Washington, he lives in Hawaii too, he first came out, he wore it in Tour de France. He sent me a picture with his medal.
Wow, international business.
Yes. Yeah, we sell online all over the country and at events like this all over the country. So.
And I know you guys said this is such a great event for you that really brings business out. Is that right?
Oh yeah.
People love us here, so it's a homey feeling.
Yes,
so.
And they came all the way from Santa Fe, New Mexico. They're just one of the many vendors that have come out of state to be here in the desert for this great event. Now we will continue tracking all the fun for you. I'm Athena Drage live in downtown Palm Springs. Back to you guys.